So AI art text to image right now it's booming. It is crazy amount of websites start popping up left and right. Some of them big like Midjourney, Dall-e, Dream Studio, and so on. Some of them small one, just teeny tiny companies. But it's actually good for the creators. And the reason why, because they need to take your attention to try bring to the new service. What I mean by this, some of them running crazy promotions that you actually can benefit from this. So I found one of this website and I want to share with you showing which site it is and how you can use it, and you can make up to 100K by utilizing this. So anyway, most time when we're using AI, for example, I'm paying for the service. I'm paying for the Midjourney, I'm paying for Right Sonic. I pay for a lot of services right now, AI. And it will be nice to find one where I pay and I actually can get it something back. So let me show you what I'm meaning by this. Right here is a very interesting website. It's from Creative Fabrica. It's called Spark Service. By the way, if you don't familiar with Creative Fabrica, it is online kind of store subscription where you can download a lot of cross-stitching pattern, embroidery, and I know because my wife does embroidery and I wish I can do because it kind of sounds very fun. But this is a site where you can download a lot of clip arts and everything. So that is already exists service for them. And add-on AI was addition. So it's not brand new like some pop-up just to collect money very fast on this. So it is established service that you just provide additional service to you. Right now it's just AI art. I wish it will be option for me to create AI art and convert that to pattern for the embroidery. That will be awesome if they can do this. But anyway, right here the service. So one thing, you have a free trial. However, if you want to use it pay, you need pay money. And if you look on the creations, you buy credits similar like you do with a Dall-e or other services. And it's not bad because you can see it is about $9 for 1,000 sparks, which is actually a very good price overall, I think. If we compare to Dall-e, it's definitely cheaper than Dall-e. And Midjourney, depend on the quality what you're going, but it is still be very good. So this is like any other services, okay? I have it, literally, I have it tens of the services who contact and says, hey, we create new website, do you want to look in this? So what this is stand for me from different one, this is competition running monthly. It says earn up to 100K. So let's go to see what is happening. So it's meaning if you are using this service and you submit images, you have options. You can win 50 different prizes, which is very good. I'm be more worried if it's just single prize, but if you have multiple steps, you have a much higher chance. And if you've done some with the Midjourney and Dall-e, you're probably familiar with some prompts, how to use it. If you're not, I'll put a link above for you to check some of my videos how to use prompts. But overall, you can create very stunning, nice images. But keep it in mind, it is also they provide service, they give it away money, but they also need somehow produce those money, and it's nothing come for free. So what is meaning this? For the participations, you actually need to sign up with the business. You need kind of buy those credits, which is could be not bad if you are trying with services and you're using like a night cafe or other ones. You're paying credits there. You can just cancel 1 month there, start 1 month here, try it, see it if you win or not. So it's actually not bad way to try, and again, it's give you experience. One thing for me, I found out when I work with the AI art, it is like a very addictive thing. So you want to create more and more, and sometimes it's not bad, just create it 1 month, try it, burn out of your system all creativity, so you calm down and see if you like it, you keep on doing, or you cancel. So right here, what is this does is allowed you for November 100K prices for creating, and they're already done for the October kind of, but for this participation, you can see you need publish from November 1st to 30th. So right now it's great time. And this is what it says. It is you need have to active creation subscriptions, $9. So it does, you kind of paying for the subscription to be there, but it makes sense because they need somehow pay for the services. And as I said before, you can try for free, but with this, you have it not just a paying for service like in Dall-e, you actually have chance of winning money as you still doing this stuff. So it's what make, for me, this stand out from other services. It's this kind of kickback. But so let's go look on the services, what it can do, because I'm just speaking about, but what I want to do, does it worth actually? Does it worth actually those $9 you're going to pay for this? Okay, overall, it's very nice, clean web interface. You notice on the beginning, we have it prompt, same prompt that we can use the other places. We also have it little bit aspect ratio, which is tell me it's probably not Dall-e, it's probably more as a stable diffusion on the back. And it's probably stable diffusion 1.4 from what I see the reference. They could probably upgrade to 1.5, I'm not sure, but it is, look to me, it's like what they're utilizing. So right here you can type angry old witch. You can type any prompt. And if you not sure what prompt you want to type, I would recommend go check the prompt book. It is kind of interesting help. I won't say it's very extensive help, but it does give it some information and preview. If you want to have it a little bit better prompt, I will recommend check my video on the prompts I have it, and check like a Midjourney help or other areas, so you can find a lot of information about this. If you don't find the prompt is satisfying for you. Okay, Angry Witch, let's go click Ignite. You notice right here we have a 22, so it's a little bit weight, which is okay. You can speed up if you buy the credits, but because I don't want to buy credits right now, so I'm just rendering this. Okay, so and here is completed. Let's see what we have. We have it actually not bad. What is make also different here, if we look, you'll notice you have it pencil, which is kind of open and you can preview. You also have it publish. I think this is very low resolution on an image right now, which is okay. We are actually previewing, we're not necessarily using, but you cannot just use this image as itself. You need to actually publish the image. So when you publish, it will show on your personal feed so people can see it, or in your creation. So let's go ahead right now. Right here, you know what? I have this cat. I like that cat I created in the boots with shooting guns. So let's go ahead. I click publish. You'll notice it says publishing. I think it's what does at the same time. It's upscaling the image from the thumbnail it was created. Okay, and when it's done, we'll go ahead and click open. So it's open in your tab for us, and let's preview. This is actually a very good size image. I think it's a actual 1024 by 1024 image, so it's not bad size. Some detalizations okay. We have it last on the face, so it's definitely stable diffusion 1.4 or earlier. Actually, it's what I try to do. Overall, we have it very nice explanation. Prompt, I like this one. I like when you can have it visible to everyone or just to you, because many times when you create it, you don't want people, mostly if it's competition, to steal your work and adjust, so you can kind of hide prompt. And you can notice right here you have it, you upgrade. So it is the $9 a month. So let's say you need purchase if you want to do, but it's very common. Privacy, for example, and Midjourney, you actually need to pay additional like $10 a month just for the privacy. So it's actually very good if at $9 cover everything, include privacy options for you. Okay, you can post your project if you need it, add comments or people. So it's actually not bad. It's very nice the way it's displayed. So let's go ahead right now. I'm going to kind of explore a little bit more. So we'll click on my creations, and you can see right here images that I actually publish. So not all of my images I created, the images that I kind of publish. And you can probably create, if you want $9 a month, you don't need to publish them maybe, so they don't, people won't see them if you don't want it, and just publish the one when you're ready for that. Okay, let's go check next the community feed. Personal feed, it's when you subscribe to somebody you're following. And actually the people create quite a bit very nice art here. So it's not bad at all. A lot of portraits or some the pattern. You know, how I said before, I wish the service could be literally blooming, going crazy if they allowed you to convert whatever you create here to the pattern for the embroidery. That will be total killer. Nobody else provided. I mean, if they do this, it will be killer applications. Okay, in a good way. So next, let's go ahead. This community prompt, very nice. And you can see all of this prompt text that you can actually copy, paste. So let's go ahead and copy this one, and we'll go back to create, see if it will generate for us. So I'm right click, going to paste right here where we have it. And let's ignite one more time. Okay, so let's go back to our stuff. And overall, I think it's kind of, all right, it's nice. Look on this. Yeah, it's a good prompt. This is very nice, very good prompt. I'm sure if we take some prompts from the Midjourney, we can put them in. And by the way, right here is my cat that I created. And oh, that is kind of funny. Version 3 Midjourney does not like my cats. Just example, if you look, this is the Midjourney 4. This is Midjourney 3. And actually, when they produce cats, the cats is better than Midjourney 3. So it's big plus for that service. But this one says look awesome. Look on that. They probably have a special pre-trained model mostly going towards this. It's all what it is. It's what reference, what the weights of library and the pre-trained model, it's what related to. I think they have it very nice related to the specific style, which you can utilize. And then mostly it's what you've done with the services. When you work, you try to see what library they reference, so you can utilize the bigger selection from there to create it. And right here we can see anime girl. Yep, it's what the fairy tale illustrations, definitely, because right here, see, I tried this one, and that one is same cyberpunk, but we have some reference to the artist, some fairy tales, and they're done very well. Not so well on some human references, some animations, comic books, but very well done with some of the artist reference. So this is kind of keep in mind if you start creating, if you decide to try it and try create images, just keep in mind that some of this will work. You know what? Let me try take this one. We'll copy and we'll go in Midjourney. And we'll just try to do this in Midjourney version 4. So we'll see what's happening. Well, till it's cooking there, let's go back. And overall interface, very simple, very easy to use. Simplicity is very good. Actually, it's a big plus, simplicity in this. And because they don't necessarily will stand out from many different services, with big exception. It is when you pay $9, it's good. Good credits, 1,000 credits is a very good price for this. But also this, when you do it, you can actually have a chance to win, so something get back. And this is, so far I don't see any other services actually offer anything like that. So this is a very attractive options for them. Okay, so right here it's done, and this is in the Midjourney. It's a done very good job. Of course, this is Midjourney for the latest one, that is, how I said before, it's a jaw dropping. And if you're interested, you can watch some of my videos about Midjourney 4, how much it was improvement and other stuff. But in general, it actually does a very good job. So overall, here's that teeny the service Spark from the Creative Fabrica, which is, I think, a very interesting, nice service for you to try if you want to. At least it's provide you some kickback. Well, if you like this video, let me know. If you find some other services that is provide you also some benefits of using, please let me know. I'm very interested to make videos around that, about them as well. If you like it, give us a thumb up, subscribe to the channel so you'll get a notification when a new video created. And please share, let me know other people about this. I appreciate your help, and have a great day of creating.